Hey everybody, you're getting this video because you've decided that for your origin story final project, you wanted to build an instrument. And so I'm going to go over with you in the video all of the materials that you'll be provided in your kit and give you options and ideas for things that you can do to build your instrument. Your cigar box that you get might look like this. It might look like this. It might look like this. They're all different. All of the cigar boxes are different sizes because our lovely cigar vendors in town can't give us all standard size cigar boxes. So thanks, shout out to the Humidor and shout out to Old Town Cigars for donating cigar boxes so that kids here in Wichita can use them to build instruments and get a better appreciation for string instruments. Inside your cigar box kit, you will find a pot of wood glue, 3 pieces of wood that are thick, 2 pieces of wood that are thin, 1 ukulele tuner, and an option of 4 different size strings that are wrapped in labeled envelopes. You will also have 3 paint sticks that have been rough cut to fit in what I imagined as an ideal length for your cigar box. And you will need to use your wood glue to glue these together so that they sit, 1 will sit over the edge and 2 will sit over the top of your cigar box. You will need to fashion some sort of a sound hole. You will also need to fashion a tailpiece. The tailpiece of this instrument has 2 thick squares of, it's a paint stick, 2 thick squares of paint stick and 1 thin one. And that will get us to the same level that we need to be here, where we have 3 thick layers of paint stick and then a thin one, but the thin one is then going to give us the height we need to get effectively a nut here. It will make it so that when the string comes out of the tuner, it will be raised up high enough that you can get an open string sound to come out. The rest of how you put this instrument together is up to you. We'll be discussing historical instruments that predated our violins, violas, cellos, and basses in class, and I hope you're getting ideas from that. Your instrument does not have to look ukulele-esque. It could look like any of the other instruments that we've studied or something of your own design. The whole idea is that we're going to create a string instrument that you can twinkle on. So you have to be able to play Twinkle Twinkle Little Star on it. That's how it passes. Everything else is up to you. I will also be putting a link in our class for the CB Giddy ukulele parts ordering website. They have lots of different kits if your family is into building, if you wanted to get more ukulele tuners, or if you even wanted to get a laser cut kit to build your own ukuleles. They have those available on that website. Shout out to CB Giddy. For the project, you are welcome to use materials of your own. This is just the base kit. So you need to make sure that at home you have a minimum of the following supplies. I'm excited to see what you are ready to make. Get ready to build, Wranglers.